Containment field is active. The contamination is severe, with multiple layers of ossified cerumen and fungal growth.
We begin with a clear wash. This prepares the canvas to receive the color, allowing the pigments to flow freely and blend.
Now we awaken the pigments. A single drop of water brings them to life. Listen.
Initializing handshake. Connection established. Welcome, user. I am Aura. We will begin with a preliminary diagnostic scan.
Deploying diagnostic nanoprobes. The swarm will map all signal blockages and organic buildup.
Analysis complete. Minor signal degradation detected due to cerumen particulate accumulation. Recommending Protocol 7, sonic dissolution. Applying the sonic gel. Its resonant frequency will safely dissolve the molecular bonds of the blockage, turning it from a solid into a harmless, viscous liquid.
Activating the resonance wave.
Initiating microvortex extraction. All dissolved particulate is being safely and completely removed from the auditory canal entrance.
The extraction is complete. A cryopolish will now be applied to reduce any minor thermal variations and reset the surface to optimal condition. Deploying a nutrient mist and repair nights. Any microscopic abrasions are being sealed. Your system is being fortified against future data corruption.
Optimization is complete. Your connection to the world is now clear. Initiating sleep mode for system integration. Rest well, user.